Hey, what's up, you guys? Brandon Lukes here. Today I'm going to show you how to create basic thumbnails for YouTube. So let's get started. I will show you how to create this one, as you can see right here. So make a new layer page, custom one, make it this size. Right, so first of all you have to choose the color you want. I will go with the orange. Make a new layer. Let's pick a lighter color one right now. Pick your brush tool. Make sure the hardness is on 0%. Pick the black color and make a new layer and make some dots like this one, right, like I'm doing. Put on soft lights. Lower the capacity a little bit, opacity. Alright, so I'm using the Burbank font, bold one, so you can download it online if you want. So right now I will put emoji and the mouse hand, as you can see. I will copy and paste it right now. It does have a drop shadow, as you can see, the emoji, and the clear border. So if you want this, let me know. I will put a download link in the description. And we will put the shadow on the text also. Let's do that. Like this. Copy layer style and paste it on the other one. Alright guys, so as you can see, I made the same thumbnail like this one. You can just adjust the size, of course. So I do recommend you guys use emojis because it will increase the CTR, click-through rate, and you will rank higher also if you have a good CTR on YouTube. So I do recommend this, of course, guys. And also, if you want the download link, let me know. I will put it in the description. This video was just a basic thumbnail tutorial, guys, so if you want to see really good thumbnail tutorials, let me know. I will make videos for that also, because this was just a simple one. I can make really hard also if you want, so let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications, because I do upload every 2 to 3 days. So peace out guys, see you later.